octopus driving. Now that is hilarious. I've never ever seen that. So I guess it helps being an octopus because you could pretty much do anything. And quite honestly, I mean, they've already done studies that octopus have like really powerful, really intelligent ways of working. Like they can fit themselves into a hole that's the size of a quarter. Like that's crazy. But and they could unscrew jars. They can do a bunch of stuff. Like the only thing they can't do is talk. But imagine if they can talk. They could probably say what they think. But just wow. Like it makes me want to get an octopus and raise it from as a baby so I can teach it to like type stuff and everything. But anywho, like honestly, Hank's pretty awesome, and I love that they're just driving against the traffic. They don't care who they hit. They're just going with the flow. So funny. I mean, and part of me was like thinking, like, what if some of those fish die because they're being shaken? But I was just over exaggerating. Of course they wouldn't. They're cartoon fishes. Anyway.